Hello, we are going to see today energy in simple harmonic motion. So, to see the energy, let us see an example of a simple pendulum which makes to and fro motion from its mean position. It is the mean position of the simple pendulum, whereas these two positions are the extreme position. Extreme displacement is called amplitude. At time t, where displacement is y, its position is given. So see, in this simple harmonic motion, this pendulum which made, so this is to and fro motion of a simple pendulum around its mean position is a simple harmonic motion, which displacement equation is given by y is equal to a sine omega t. Velocity v is equal to a omega cos omega t. And acceleration capital A is given by minus a omega square sine omega t are equal to minus omega square y, and this is represented by equation number 3. Now see carefully here in the simple harmonic motion, when a simple pendulum made it contains both type of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. So first of all we are going to see the potential energy. Energy in case of simple harmonic motion SHM. When pendulum is at its mean position and when you want to oscillate, whatever work is done to oscillate or to give the displacement in the simple pendulum is called potential energy. So we may say potential energy is amount of work done to give displacement in particle. Now see here in the diagram for the potential energy, its position is for y. Let simple pendulum is moved from these two positions and get a displacement dy here in it. So what is work done for the displacement? Dy. Work done for dy. Because potential energy is amount of work done to provide displacement in the particle during simple harmonic motion. So this work done is given by dw. It is equal to force into this displacement dy. This is equation number 4. So see what is this F here. This F is called restoring force. Which force? Restoring force. See the concept of restoring force. See here in this equation, acceleration is minus omega square y. Minus sign indicates, minus means, sign implies that acceleration is opposite to displacement y. Is it clear? So against the work done, it is against the work done. Because its tendency of restoring force to bring the pendulum in its mean position. We do the work on pendulum to make oscillate, and as we work, this work is in form of potential energy, right? This work is in form of potential energy, and a restoring force develops which tendency to bring in the mean position. Now see, restoring force F is equal to mass of pendulum into acceleration in a pendulum. Mass, acceleration is minus a omega square sin omega t, or we may write minus m a omega square sin omega t, or we may also write minus m omega square y, the restoring force. And it is represented by equation 5. See, we want to see the work done here in this case. dW is equal to force minus m omega square y into dy. We are going to write it minus k y, this is the dy here in the formula, is work done, where see, k is equal to m omega square, and this k is called force constant, right? Now see here in this equation, we are going to see net work done W. This net work done W is equal to integrating all 0 to y minus k y dy. So this work done is equal to minus half. The integration of y is y square by 2. We know k. This is half k. So by 2 means here half is here. Half ky square. It is a work done. Right? Now see, potential energy is equal to work done to give displacement y, and it is equal to, so see here, this minus v, work is a scalar quantity, so we are neglecting minus sign. It is half k y square. Since k is equal to m omega square, then it is half m omega square y square is the potential energy of the body, and it can be represented as equation number 6. So potential energy can also be written in this formula by keeping the value of y a sin omega t. This is square, so square is that. So potential energy can either be expressed by equation 6 or 7. Now this is time to see kinetic energy in simple harmonic motion. S, H, M. During kinetic energy is, it is due to state of motion of particle. When particle oscillate, it come under the momentum state of motion. So whatever energy due to the state of motion is called kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy is given by formula of mv square. Now putting the value of velocity here, it is a omega cos omega t. It can be written as half m a square omega square cos square omega t. It is given by equation number 8. Since velocity can also be written in this form, V is equal to omega under root a square minus y square, then kinetic energy can also be written half m, this is omega square under root finish a square minus y square. It is equation number 9. Now we are going to see the total energy of a body, simple harmonic motion. Energy in simple harmonic motion. This total energy is E. We are knowing it is sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy is here given in this form. Half m omega square y square it is, and kinetic energy is here given half m omega square a square minus y square. So see here in both cases half m omega square is a common, y square plus a square minus y square, right? So the total energy is half m omega square y is cancel here a square. The total energy is given by equation number 10. Now see these two formula for potential energy and kinetic energy during the simple harmonic motion. Right? Since a body is doing simple harmonic motion, it possesses both of the energy. Now see carefully the potential energy at different position. Here is the graphical representation of energy here. When a body makes simple harmonic motion, a simple harmonic wave is given for one cycle. Here see in the example, one cycle means mean position to extreme, extreme to mean, mean to extreme on another side, then again on mean position. We are going to see potential energy during the mean. Mean position mean displacement is 0. Displacement is a 0. Displacement is 0 means y0. Y0 means what? This total potential energy is 0. See in the graph, we are going to trace with this black. This is energy curve and it is a time. At t is equal to 0, right? Time is 0. Displacement is 0. Energy is 0. Now see, at t by 4 means here, 1/4 extreme position, where displacement y is equal to a. Then potential energy becomes half m omega square a square. See, this is a line half m a square. So this energy is here given by in it. At t by 2 means see the position of a pendulum. Come back here at mean position, displacement again becomes 0. Y0 means potential energy 0. Right? T by 4, 3t by 4. See the situation in the diagram. First 4th, second 1/4, third 1/4, 3 1/4 here. Extreme position means y is equal to a again. Then what is the potential energy? Half m omega square a square. Maximum. At capital T, coming back to main position, again displacement is 0. Contains potential energy 0 here. Joining with free hand. This is potential energy curve. Energy. Right? This is potential energy curve. Now see for the kinetic energy curve here. Kinetic energy is this. At mean position y is 0. When it is y0, then it's become totally amplitude, it is a square minus y square. So this becomes half omega square a square. Half omega square a square means, see, this is at t is equal to 0. Now see at t by 4, 1/4, we are going to see the kinetic energy. Velocity is 0, kinetic energy is 0. Displacement is equal to y is equal to a, means a square minus a square is 0. So see here. At t by 2, again y is 0 at mean position. So again it is m omega square a square. 3t by 4, again extreme position. And here again maximum. See the kinetic energy curve by green color. This is kinetic energy curve. So see here, the total energy remains constant. Sum of kinetic energy and potential energies remains constant. This total energy, half m omega square by a square. When potential energy is a minimum, kinetic energy is a maximum. When potential energy is a maximum, kinetic energy is a minimum. So here is conversion, transformation. Transformation of potential energy into kinetic energy and kinetic energy into potential energy during simple harmonic motion. But at any point, sum of both energy, that is half omega square a square, remains constant. See, it can be seen here in the diagram. This is for total energy of simple harmonic motion. This is for topic only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.